Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So let us see. The beautiful pictures are there on your screen and you must recognize them. See, the Punjabi people are there and they are dancing and singing. And yes, of course, this is the festival of Baisakhi. They all are enjoying. Then the next one is this is Pongal. This is Pongal and the next one is Onam festival. So can you identify that about what we are talking? We are talking about the Harvest Festival of India. So Harvest Festival of India are very popularly celebrated by the people, and especially the people those who are living in the villages, because they grow the harvest and the harvest is ready to be cut. They celebrate this festival. So this we are discussing because the Harvest Festival of India has been given to you as your project for PA1. So I'm here to tell you that how you will make your project. So first of all, I want you to tell that you have to write also about the festival and you have to describe also by making a video. You will make a video that how you have made the project and what are the things that you have included in it, and also you will write it on A4 sheet. You will paste the picture related to the festival and you will also write its significance and where it is celebrated, how it is celebrated, and who are the people going to celebrate this festival. So let us discuss how you will start. First of all, see the pictures that I have collected. In the same way you can collect many pictures and you can make your presentation also, you can make your video. It's up to you, and you have to write also on A4 sheet. Now see, first of all you have to give a heading to your project, and the heading you have to give Harvest Festivals in India. Harvest Festivals in India. What are the main harvest festivals of India? You have to write. So in the homework I have given, in the project I have given that you will collect the information about any 2 harvest festivals. Though many festivals are there, but it's up to you which festival you want to select. So you have to write about any 2 festivals and you will write where it is celebrated, how it is celebrated. You will write also and you will make a video also for that. Now let us see what I have written here, what things I have collected. So first of all, this is the Harvest Festival of India in India. Then I have taken the intro. What are harvest festival? So a harvest festival is an annual celebration that occurs around the time of the main harvest of a given region. Given the difference of the climate and crops around the world, harvest festivals can be found of various time at various places. The main traditions of a rural and Eastern breakfast are attending mass, participating in parade, dressing up in traditional costume, and dancing to live music. The first church service is held in the morning and second is held in the evening. So let us see which festivals I have collected for you people. Out of them you can take any and you can take of your choice also. So the first one that I have collected for you people is Vaisakhi, and also it is called Baisakhi or Vaisakhi. Any you can tell. So this festival is observed generally by Hindus and Sikhs. Hindus and Sikhs people, and generally this festival is celebrated in Punjab and in some parts of Haryana also. So mainly it is the festival of Punjab. Sikh people celebrate it a lot. So many fair ritual bathing in Amritsar of new Kalash, parades and Nagar Kirtans. These things are celebrated. And what are the observance means what are the things that are held? Prayers are held, procession are held, raising of Nishan Sahib flag, parades. These all things are held. People enjoy, they dance, sing together and enjoy the festival. And generally this festival is celebrated on 13th April, and sometime the date may be changed, but generally it comes on 13th April. One more festival that I want to tell you, that is Lohri. Lohri is also the festival of Punjab. Generally it is celebrated by Punjabi and it's a religious and cultural festival. And generally it is celebrated in the month of January, and midwinter festival, celebration of winter solstice. Bonfire is organized, people sing and dance around the fire, and bhangra and gidda are played there. The next festival that I have selected for you people is Pongal. Pongal, you know very well that it is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and the people of Tamil Nadu, they worship sun god, and it is the harvest festival there. Pongal dish is prepared, decorations is there, floor dishes, homecoming prayers, processions, gift giving, and they specially thank the sun god for agriculture, abundance for 4 long days. So this is a festival celebrated generally in Tamil Nadu. One more festival we are discussing here, that is Onam. Onam is generally celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated in Kerala. It is also the harvest festival. And Polakkam, Onathalu, tug of war, Thumbi Thali, overs and boat races, they are the special attraction of this festival. People enjoy, they wear colorful dresses and enjoy all the things. So in this way there are many harvest festival, but whatever you feel that this I can do very easily and this will give me some information, you have to do about that. You see the pictures I have collected for you people regarding Onam. This is the Onam festival, Kerala celebrated. See, the tables are also there, ladies are decorating and the dances are being held. So in this way you have to select any 2 festivals and you will write about them and you will speak about them in your video. You can make PPT also, it's your choice, whatever you want to do. So I hope you will be able to make your project in a better way. So thank you students, best of luck for your project, and don't forget to make it, as it 10 marks are there especially for the project. So bye. These were the harvest festival celebrated in different parts of India.